Want to post Instagram stories from your PC? In just few minutes, I'll show you a fast hack to do it. Like and subscribe for more tech tips, and let's share stories in 2025. Open your browser, Chrome works great, and go to Instagram.com. Log into your account. Right-click anywhere on the page and select Inspect to open Developer Tools. Click the mobile icon, that's the toggle device toolbar, and pick a phone, like iPhone 12. Refresh the page, and boom, there's the mobile view with the story camera. Click the story camera icon at the top. Choose a photo or video from your PC, make sure it's ready. Add text, stickers, or effects if you want, then hit your story to post. Check it out, it's live. If the camera icon's missing, reselect the mobile device and refresh again. You're almost a story pro. Refresh the page and click your profile picture to see your story. It's there. Your followers can view it for 24 hours. If it didn't upload, check your file. It should be JPG or MP4, or ensure you're in mobile view. Want to post more? Repeat these steps. You've nailed it. That's it. You can now post Instagram stories from your PC in 2025. If this helped, please like and subscribe for more tech hacks.